to swim in the ocean and have a volcano going on in the background. I have never done that before. We are Swedes abroad and our family is currently staying in Tenerife. If you have been watching our last videos, you will know that I took a trip to La Palma to see the volcano and do some volcano tourism. I'm not the only one doing volcano tourism. After some hassle, I managed to book a car and it was time to go. I've stopped here just before coming up to the volcano and wanted to have a look at the green island that La Palma actually is. La Palma is so much more than just a volcano, and with this film I wanted to show you guys the rest of my trip when I went there. To say that La Palma is beautiful is an understatement. It is very beautiful. It's a lot of ash everywhere. Have a look at this. It's quite interesting. It was time to keep moving, so I jumped into the car and drove to the small town of Tazacorte. In Tazacorte there is also a harbor and a beach. Oh, now in the little city of, I want to say terracotta, but it's nice. I drove down to the beach to check it out and to take a swim. Quite crazy taking a swim and having the volcano as a view. There is the volcano. You can see the volcano in the back. That was pretty epic. To swim in the ocean and have a volcano going on in the background. I have never done that before. And the water was pretty clear. I thought it was gonna be more black, but well, I don't have any black spots on me. So this is the Tazacorte. It's beautiful. I think it's time to move on. A bit up the road, I stumbled upon a small church and stopped to check it out. I love churches like this, small churches on beautiful places. Here in La Palma I found this one. It was a beautiful place. Alright, let's move on. After driving across the island to Tazacorte, I kept going to this small restaurant over here. They were nice enough to let me stay and I took some epic shots of the volcano. And I made another movie about that. After that, I drove back to the main city, Santa Cruz de la Palma. Santa Cruz de la Palma is the capital of La Palma, and I spent my last few hours here before going back to Tenerife. finally made it back to Tenerife. Should you go to La Palma to see the volcano, it is definitely connected with risk to do that. I mean, I went on my own, I did not go with my family, and there's a reason for that. I think that's gonna wrap it up for today. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do. There's more things to come. See you guys. Thanks for watching.